They've got a 5-point safety harness that they have to buckle into, as well as a HONS device around their neck, supporting their C-spine, the helmet, and of course the fire retardant safety suit. It does take them a little bit to get buckled in safely and ready to go. All right, Topeka, if you're ready, I am ready. In 3, 2, 1, start your engines. We finish our show with the traditional monster truck freestyle. Leading up to that, we will have monster truck racing. Running second's going to be our monster truck wheelie competition. But up first, it is monster truck donuts. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the first trucking competition tonight is going to be the Redneck Rampage, driven by Randy Schmidt out of Charles City, Iowa. Before we get started, folks, on each truck tonight, we will start off by testing their RII. It's a remote ignition interrupter that allows us to remotely shut down any and all of the monster trucks, should we need to, for the safety of the driver, the track crew, or you folks, the fans. We test it by having the driver start the truck up. They then take their hands off the wheels so that we can see they do not have control of the truck. At that point, we key the RII, and as long as the motor stops, we know the RII is ready to go. That being said, it's time to test the RII on Randy Schmidt's Redneck Rampage.